Man, my bros, they straight disrespectful, man. First thing they come out of your mouth, they see me in a bike. Damn, your bike is disgusting. Damn, your bike is filthy. Disrespectful. No respect whatsoever. But I ain't gonna lie, I haven't seen my bike this dirty in a long time. It's not even like me to have a really dirty bike. So I guess there's a first time for everything. But we are gonna solve that problem. But first, let me show you how dirty this thing is. Let's go. Get that done. I don't have all my cleaning stuff that I normally use, but I'll make do with what I do, baby. Let's go. This is a workout by itself, man. It's a workout. You gotta pump it 10 times. You gotta put it back, and then you gotta just keep your fingers crossed. All right, that's the first startup. There we go. Done. It's not clean yet, but it's cleaner. Now I'm gonna go to the store and pick up my dry wash, bring the bike back inside, and I'm gonna finish it off inside. Let's go.